Hey, what's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in for another show here at grandsusdesigns.com. First off, I want to talk about our new banner. Check out all the products that we've got. Direct to film, UV DTF. You've already seen a couple of my videos. We do custom prints, apparel, and accessories. We've got our QR codes right here, and some of these right here are our custom art that we will be having on the website as well. So I want to get right into it. I want to talk about what we're going to do. You've already seen me do the cup. Now, I've got this cool little tool, and I'm going to put this link in the YouTube. Me and my son are going to do it. You know what? We're just going to wing it. We're gonna see how we get this done. I tried to do it before with my own hand, but it didn't quite work out the way I wanted to. So I heard about this cool tool, and we're going to give it a shot. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a close-up, and I'll just show my hands, and we're going to take it from there. Also, in the video, I'm going to do the cup with one of our Christmas wraps. And then on the next one, I'm going to repurpose one of these wraps. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out sections, and we're going to place it on this cool 7-ounce stainless steel flask. And it comes with 2 little shots. So we're going to cut them out. We're going to put them on there, and you're going to see that in the video. We're also going to try to do a Christmas ornament. Pretty cool. This UV DTF raised decals can go onto anything. And we're also going to do another coffee cup. I'll have my son do it. I'm going to talk him through it. And that'll be it. So I hope everyone likes the DJ lights. I don't want no one to get a seizure. But hey, thank you. And last but not least, we'll also be doing some motel keychains. These are really cool to do. Same thing. And I'm just going to repurpose some of these right here with a close-up and show you how easy it could be to put this on anything. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I've got the backing taken off now. I'm looking, see how I can align this. Looks good. Applying some pressure. Just trying to work that out. There's no air bubbles. Let me go ahead and take that top sheet off. There you go. Another project done. Got it on there. One and done. Now I'll take my top sheet off. I'm going to peel it nice and slow, make sure all these letters stay on. There it is, another one down.
We did it.
We did it. That looks pretty cool. This can make really great gifts. We're going to have these on the website. These are going to be under accessories. Let me go ahead and put these away. Look at that. All right, what do we got left? Guess what? Motel keychains. You see that? We're going to have them in assorted colors. Also, they'll be on our accessory. Once again, what am I going to do? I'm going to repurpose this right here. So I'm going to start making some cuts. Let's see here what would be cool. I think this little heart thing would fit on there really good. Let me get this taken care of. Okay, I've got the backing off. Now I'm just going to apply this on our keychain. And if you guys are experts in this right here, I mean, I'm sure you have all your designs. You want to measure your keychain because they all come in different sizes. Okay, I'm going to apply this on here. I'm going to give this a good little rub. Imagine if you're doing this in vinyl. You'd have to put it on your Cricut, and then you would have to cut everything out, and then put it on layers, and then put it on your top sheet. No, not with this. UV DTF. You don't have to worry about any of that. I'm going to remove the top part. Look at that. Look what you could do with a hotel keychain. This is amazing. This one's on the clear one. Okay. Scratched it. That's right. Good varnish. Pretty cool. All right, last thing to do, I'm going to have my son is going to put a decal on just to show you any age group can do this.
Hi everyone out there. For the first steps we have to do for this is we have to clean it, like only the front. So we do like this, and then don't forget to dry it. And then we get our sticker. This one's a little tricky one. And now we're gonna have to take the sticker off. Then, cause I'm a rookie at this, alright guys? So I'm gonna try my best to put this on here. Dang it. And then we use this to kind of flatten it out, just so it goes good. Now, what we do is we take this thing off. And that's it. We did it. Well, it might not be perfect because I'm a first timer. This is my first time doing this, but I still did pretty good, But you can also use this, scrapping it out, or like to make it more flatter.
Okay, everybody. Hey, I'm going to recap the video. What did we cover? We did a cup. My son did that first time. An ornament. Motel retro keychain. Possibilities are endless. We did a flask. You see that? What else did we do? We did our nice little Libby cup. Look at that. Pretty proud of that. This is going to go to somebody. I'm going to put that in our YouTube. I'm going to put this in a link. This is a really cool tool. This gave me an extra hand on applying the Libby wraps. Okay. Last but not least, if you ever make a mistake, this product right here, Goo Gone. Okay, I'm not sponsored by it. I was able to buy this at Walmart for like $6.97. This can help you. If you make a mistake, you can apply this on any of these products right here, and scrape it with the hard part of this tool right here, and then have yourself a little towel, and you can take all that off. So you won't ruin your Libby cup, or let's say this right here, you made a mistake. You can use it and save yourself some trouble. So this is Eddie with Grant Sus Design. Just reminding everybody, you want to go ahead and come to our website. And have a nice day, and I'll see everyone in the cart.